Racing just is started. Every spring singer break quickly to start. The Heroes is down on the inside. Under Max in between horses. The next online, the Legend, then followed now by Gates of Money, Wings of Love. Top Secret comes next. And on the outside, Cat Standard, One Who Couldn't Love. In between those two now is Tumultuous. Then comes Pleasantly Perfect. Isa pa. While Miss Dainty is racing in last. Racing down the backstretch will be Spring Singer, Barling and Hop. Thunder Max in second, Wings of Love now in third, and in fourth comes the Legend. Dallery inside is Gates of Money. The Hero's Top Secret comes next. Cat's Thunder, then followed now by Tumultuous, One Who Couldn't Love. Pleasantly Perfect comes next. Isa pa, while Miss Dainty is still racing in 13th. And at the fourth turn, where is Spring Singer by Orling Any Hump. The Legend in second, moving upon the outside now is Gates of Money. Thunder Max, then comes Top Secret. And they are now entering the home stretch, where is Spring Singer moving upon the outside now is Gates of Money. And now says it's my turn to take the lead. We have Gates of Money, followed by the Legend in second is Spring Singer. Thunder Max, last 75 meters, we have Gates of Money, and finally Gates of Money. The Legend, Top Secret, then comes Thunder Max, One Who Couldn't Love.
Okay, bayang karulista, para po dito sa inyong final race ng ating pong unofficial winner, the favorite 7-horse Gates of Money with JD Huco, mas segundo, The Legend, numero 12, numero 4, Top Secret, tercero, numero 3, Thunder Max for your quartet.